हेलो दोस्तों, फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरे इस चैनल में। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा घर बैठे आप कैसे कमा सकते हो। ऐसे 5 बेस्ट फ्रीलांसिंग स्किल के बारे में बताऊंगा। अगर आप मेरे इस चैनल में नए हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और लाइक का बटन हिट कर दीजिए। आप इस चैनल में नए हो तो people are utilizing their skills and talent to offer freelancing service to clients worldwide as a technology and the internet advance। दुनिया भर में फ्रीलांसिंग बहुत चल रहे हैं। आओ चलते हैं आज को टॉप 5 मोस्ट फ्रीलांसिंग स्किल। Web and app development. With business increasingly requiring an online presence, the need for web and app developer to project continue high. The ability necessitates familiarity with programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. Content writing. Second, the content development is the backbone of digital marketing. Freelancing content writers are in high demand to create compelling material for websites, social media platforms, and blogs that drive traffic and generate leads. Digital marketing. Third, as organizations seek to strengthen their online presence and expand their reach, digital marketing has become a popular freelance option in that. In initials, developing and implementing digital marketing strategy to boost sales, conversions, and website traffic. Fourth is graphic design. Whether it's developing website visual, social media graphic, or branding materials, graphic design has always been an essential ability in the creative arena. As a freelance graphic designer, you can deal with clients from many industry, work from anywhere in the world. Fifth is video editing. With the increased use of video material on social media platforms, video editing is in great demand. This expertise necessitates knowledge of specific tools and ability to transform raw footage into a polished and professional result. You are creating an excellent portfolio highlighting your abilities and experience to make money freelancing. However, it is critical to price your service competitively, interact professional with clients, and provide outstanding work on schedule. Time to time you have to give. Finally, trying joining freelancing networks such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, where you can discover client and expand your business over time. This is the main site. As you can gain experience, you can establish a solid reputations and earn a good income from the freelancing skill. If you like my video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. This is If you like this video, please comment below. Thank you for watching and do subscribe.